Good morning everyone. Today we're going to learn div and for why we use it and how to use it. We have for examples and for examples going to show you some difference between them. How to technically use it. Now, first of all, we have I create 3 divs. For creating divs, just we wrote div and some text, so seeing it here, and I call it the class example1, so headers all and groups are the same, borders are the same, and after I changed the things to show. If you notice the first box, I didn't do nothing else, so it goes obviously in the corner and without touching nothing else. If I make another same box, the same-ish point, it goes obviously here. Now, if I make margin auto, makes automatically margins for you, and it goes the center. This is very useful sometimes for making it in the same direction where you want. If you want a specific place to put it, like what I did here, now I've made margin top, it means only the top part 100 pixels, at the left another 100 pixels. So I moved it where I want it. So the boxes, you can move them where you want to move them with the margin. In the second example, we're going to see some different stuff. I will increase the box to make it more visible and then put it in the center. See? Now let's see the code that we did. So you can understand. Width and height, you see, we changed it. And then we made it automated. Margin auto, click the center, smooth. The text alignment center will alignment the center in the text. After line 2, puts it in the center. Shows. After that, we have the background color. If you notice, this is blue, this is not. We can make the font which font we want. These fonts both are not the same, and even the size, they are not the same. This shows a different everything you can put in the div is changed automatically. Now, third example is going to be because of we can make the sizes and whatever we want. The templates, most of the time, they used divs, so they can make header for these different sizes of the bodies, and then they can do whatever they want. Even what they can do also is making some functionalities with which are JavaScripting that we're going to learn in the future. So if I click, you can switch off and switch on divs. And normally they use divs for a reason. These divs, they don't have no attributes, and you can put which attributes you want in them. Thank you for watching. See you next.